Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos.
Why am I standing on this side?
Because I'm going to teach you how to make a quesadilla.
So Savannah, what's on the menu today?
Quesadillas!
Oh my gosh, I love quesadillas!
Me too. Now, I'm used to normally making them on a cast iron skillet, but today we're going to use the griddle.
Why are we using the griddle?
Because it's easier than filming in the corner.
It is, because then they'd be watching our backs.
Yeah, so might as well they see our lovely faces.
Or at least mine.
Alright, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, Uncle, I have preheated the griddle to 325.
Okay.
Will you please hand me the tortilla shells?
Yes. There you go.
Alright. We are going to be making 2 of these today.
2.
Yes.
For me?
No. Alright. If you will please sprinkle about a handful on each of them. Of
Cheese? Okay,
Yeah, cheese.
sure. What kind of cheese are we using?
Sharp cheddar.
Oh, I like sharp cheddar.
Me too.
Is that good? Keep it in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep it around the middle.
All right. Ooh, that griddle's hot. I hear the cheese sizzling.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Alright. So, I like to
Is that
let...
good?
Yes.
Okay.
I like to let my cheese, just start to melt a little bit, just so whenever I do put the top on, you know they're together and they won't pull apart, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So, they're starting...
I noticed we didn't put any butter on them.
I do not use butter.
You don't like butter?
Not really, no. I prefer just to leave as is.
Put them on the grill?
Yeah, I mean, they
Let
still
them
brown
crisp
up just
up?
the same. They still crisp up just the same. Alright.
Okay, so they're getting pretty warm. I see them. Actually, they're starting to bubble a little bit.
Yep, so I'm going to add
The top one?
the top one.
Okay.
Now, this pack of tortillas, they always vary in size, but,
Okay.
they still work. And maybe the bottom, or the top half will just be a little bigger. I normally like to move mine around a little bit. It just kind of depends on how hot and everything.
Okay, so we keep them at 325 and you're checking them. Now, let me ask you. If I wanted to use butter, that would be okay. Maybe they want to use butter?
Oh yeah, that's completely fine. Personal preference, I do not.
Okay.
I don't like butter.
Okay.
So I just don't use it.
Okay. All right, well, fair enough.
Yeah. So we just let them start crisping up a little bit
Okay.
and just kind of leave them.
Now, how brown do you get yours?
The size, like the whiteness of this tortilla. I do not like mine crispy.
You don't like
anything.
it, so it's going to look like yours isn't cooked, but it is.
Correct.
Okay, but I like mine crispy.
Yes.
So we're
For
going
the
to
sake
leave.
of making them look appealing, basically,
Okay, all
I'm
right.
going to make them as if I were making them crispy.
Okay.
Not for
All
myself.
right, well, that's good. Now, we're only making cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever made any other kind?
I have.
What
I've made
kind?
turkey quesadillas, turkey chicken quesadillas, and just plain chicken.
Well, I like chicken.
Yeah, me too.
I like turkey. That's why I hang out with you.
I think you
But
would
for today,
yourself.
we're just doing cheese. Keep it simple.
Oh yeah, and if you want to, you can use regular chicken, canned chicken, whatever kind of chicken you need. You just smush it up and sprinkle it in. I mean, it's not that hard. You just add a different ingredient.
Okay, and we can top them with sour cream,
You can.
salsa,
Mm-hmm.
lettuce.
Lettuce.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So whatever you like.
pretty much.
All
And
right.
if you, I think this one is ready. to
Oh,
come.
so it's ready to flip?
I think this one is.
Okay.
And sometimes,
Wow.
sometimes, you're checking it from underneath a spatula, so you're not always going to see if it's cooked or not. So sometimes you just got to flip them a couple times, just to make sure they're
Oh, that does
The
look
right-
good.
the right color and the right, amount of crisp that you would enjoy.
The right amount of crisp that you would enjoy?
Yeah,
okay.
that's what we're
all right,
going
well,
with.
I like the crispy.
That's what we're going
So
with.
I like my amount of crisp and okay.
We're going with the amount of crisp.
They are looking good.
Yeah. So we just kind of let them do their quesadilla thing, and
All right. Uh-oh.
uh-oh.
There's only 2.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Aunt T.
We always forget about Aunt T.
Well, I mean, off camera, we will be sure to make her one.
Uh-huh.
Disclaimer, Aunt T gets fed. She will get her food.
You better feed me.
And she is behind the camera today.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Alright. These are just chilling. Not ready to come off yet. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a plate, another one,
Sure.
so we can, yeah, that'll work. Thanks,
How about
Auntie.
this?
Yeah, that'll work. Thank
All
you,
right.
Auntie.
Oh, that's a pretty plate.
Yes, it is.
All right.
Color. So, my dad actually taught me how to make these, and I've been making them ever since.
How long am I going to stand here holding the plate?
You can put it down.
Okay,
I thought I said that.
that's a good idea.
I said that in my head, apparently.
Okay.
My dad taught me how to make these, and he doesn't use butter or anything, but he did teach me how to brown them up. But, you know,
And your dad's a pretty good cook.
he is.
He likes to name everything, which I find humorous, but
We have a dish at our house called chicken marshani, and it's amazing pasta, but he does like to name his dishes.
he does, he does.
Okay, so these have been cooking for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
And, whew, they are ready.
Boy, they look good.
Yes, they do. If it will come off the grill.
It's you and that spatula again.
See? Hey, this
Boy.
is my favorite spatula.
Oh, that looks
only use
brown.
this one.
Hey,
Yes,
that one's
it is.
mine.
Go ahead.
I call dibs.
You get dibs.
Okay.
Alright, so,
There you go.
woo, let's not lose them. At my house, we normally cut these using a pizza cutter. You can use a knife or whatever, but we find it easier to just use a pizza cutter and just dig in. You can also top these with sour cream, salsa, you know, add chips and salsa, whatever you want. Just enjoy.
Well, it's a fun dish.
It is.
Simple, easy to make.
Yes, it is.
Keeps your costs low.
It does. It takes me 5 minutes at home every single time I make them.
Awesome.
It
So
doesn't-
anybody that watches this can absolutely make these.
Exactly.
They're simple,
Yes, they are.
easy. Good job. Now I can make these.
Yep.
I love it.
Yep.
All right.
Alright.
Well,
Should we say goodbye?
I think we should say goodbye, and then we can get to eating.
Yeah. Don't forget we gotta make Auntie one.
Oh, right. Give her half of yours.
Ah.
Okay. Well, hey, thanks for watching.
See you next week.
See you next week.